Hi, my name is Nicholson. I am the industrial maintenance teacher for Russell County High School. Industrial maintenance is a hands-on operation that focuses on keeping machines and equipment running carefree. Industrial maintenance really, it focuses on problem solving. It's kind of like a chess game with equipment, is the way that I look at it. You do things like troubleshoot, find issues, and think about the way that the machine is supposed to operate and help it through its process. Students and industrial maintenance students learn a wide array of tool usage and care. Safety is our #1 priority here in industrial maintenance. We focus on lifetime skills in real-world application. As you can see, we come out here, we're in the shop. This is a shop environment. It is not a classroom setting that we focus on. Your first 3 weeks, however, are in the classroom, and the next 15 weeks after that, you are focused on the shop and in the shop the entire time. Students get to work with hand tools, power tools, welders, lifts, hoists, powered industrial vehicles, just to name a few things. The focus now for a career path is that these students should be able to enter a workforce as an apprentice immediately. We also will leave here with some certifications that will lead them into a position of safety and a very, very, very strong understanding of OSHA and what OSHA represents when it comes to them out there in the workforce. So students can be NCRI when they leave this course. NCCER is also nationally accredited, and there are different accreditations that they can earn through there. The one that we are focusing on right now is forklift certification, and we hope to soon get that one implemented into the system. Also, the accreditations that they'll get is they will leave here OSHA 10 and OSHA 30 certified. So manufacturing industries and warehouse industries are currently looking for students in this field, graduates in this field. One company that I would mention is Pratt & Whitney. They are in need of students with the background that these students will leave here with. The type of student that will thrive in industrial maintenance is one that likes to work hands-on and is really interested in finding out the why as to where the problem is, instead of one that just looks for a book answer. So they want to know and dig into the diagnostics background of the equipment. My favorite moment teaching this program has been watching the students grow. So it's a great thing to watch them as they came in, having an instructor that left recently and them seeing me come in and trusting in me. So earning their trust really has been the greatest thing that I've accomplished. But aside from working, trust from the students has been great. This program prepares students for the real world because it really mirrors the real world. I have things that I've implemented into the program, like no call, no show, which means if you don't show up on time to work here in the classroom, then you will be docked as if you were working in the workforce. Our motto right here is right place, right time, right uniform. What that means is be at the right place, be on time, and be in the right uniform with the right attitude. And that is what you need in order to be successful in the real world, according to what I believe. Industrial maintenance gives you real life skills. So whether you decide that you want to join industrial maintenance in your future, you'll still learn things like how to use power tools around the house, how to make sure that things are safe around your work area, and hopefully bring you back home safely. Thank you.